Today I'll be talking about Bahmni E2E tests and how to interpret them. You can check out this code from the Bahmni repository. The prerequisites that are required are Node.js, Gauge, and Tyco. The execution can be done after doing an npm install using the Gauge command, which allows you to select the environment on which to run, and tags allow you to select the scenarios that you want to execute. This is very useful when we have multiple environments to run our tests on. Here, the Bahmni E2E tests are the GitHub actions of Bahmni E2E tests are configured to run on two environments. The artifacts that are generated are here. Let's try to interpret the artifact which has failed. Here, we are downloading the artifact. We will be extracting it to a HTML and then interpreting the results. The HTML report that is generated has the details of the demo environment the environment where the run has happened and the tags that have been used for this particular run. The field specifications are listed on the top and the passed ones are below. In order to interpret the error, when we click on this field specification, we will be able to scroll down and see the red highlight where there's a failure. We might have to click one more time to see the exact failure. The error says bilirubin total is not found. In this case, when we are trying to interpret it, we can use the screenshot and understand that the bilirubin total is not here. When we try to interpret it by using the functional knowledge, we do understand that Bahmni has a test called as bilirubin total, which is obviously not present in the OpenELI's third-party system, and therefore there is a mismatch in the configuration of data, and hence this particular test is failing. Now let's take another example. Here again we are clicking on the red highlight and seeing the error which says the operation theater is not found. When we look at the screenshot, we do realize that the operation theater tile is missing. This can happen when the user doesn't have permission for the operation theater. Therefore, in a demo environment, the expectation is that the admin will have permissions to all the roles and privileges. Therefore, it should have access to operation theater also. Otherwise, a demo user will not be able to access it. And hence, this failure is not a data setup problem in the test case. However, it is reflecting a problem in the demo environment which needs to be addressed. In an inpatient visit, we do see another failure where general ward is not found. It might initially appear that the test is not waiting for the screen to load. However, the actual problem is that there is no reindexing which has been done on Bahmni, because of which the relevant screen will never get opened about the patient, even if you're going to specify the exact ID. And therefore, the other elements are not found. So based on these results that the end-to-end framework gives you, we will be able to execute it on any environment and get the feedback on the stability of our environment.